Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can actually create a coloring book by using only Canva and AI. So that's pretty much cool thing actually. So we are going to show you and teach you how you can all create a coloring book to publish it in the Amazon Kindle. So you can get a revenue, you can generate a revenue from that coloring book, and you can actually create that coloring book by the help of this Canva and ChatGPT. So Canva is a great platform, a powerful platform where people can actually create some creative art and designs, so they can actually sell it in digital platforms. And ChatGPT, and all of you hopefully know about the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the powerful and leading AI system that actually help you in different and critical situations. So it can actually think in critical way, and it can give you almost every details, and it can work, you can do anything that you ask him or ask this AI, with the prompt actually. So we are on Canva here, so we are going to create, but before that we have to find out the KDP or the cover size from here. So we are on KDP cover calculator here, so enter your book information. So where you can add the binding type, so we are going to select one, like if you want a hardcover or a paper cover, you can select it from this drop down button here. So I want a hardcover for that coloring book here. Then the interior type here, so you can select the interior type, black and white actually. Then paper type here, so cream paper or white paper. I'm going to with the white paper, or you can go with this premium color. Now white paper. Then reading directions here, so left to right. And measurements units, you can select it in inches. And interior trim size, so we can select it interior trim size like 16 by 6 by 9 inch. Now page count here, so we have to add page count between like let me show you. If I select 50, so we have to add it between this amount of pages like 76 to 500, actually 550. So we are going to add it like, so you can see I have just added that amount that actually can calculate it by us. So here's calculate dimensions, so simply click on calculate the dimensions, so it will help us to calculate the dimensions here. Now here you can see whole this cover page width and height, the front cover page size here, the margin size, every size of here. So you can download the template, so simply click on download template here, so it will download the template from here. So here you can see it is just downloaded. So until wait until it has downloaded. Now we are going to create that here. So here, from here we have to create the size, so we are going to custom size, so create a canvas. So make sure that you have select the unit in inches. Then you can go with the full cover here, so it could be 14.116. so I'm going to copy that width here, and I'm going to paste that width here. Then here's the height, so I'm going to use that height here, paste it here. Now create new design. So here you can see I have just created the cover size here, that cover size canvas here. Now here is the measurement image here, so we are going to open that, and here it is. So we are going to upload that image that we actually downloaded. So let's see if it's downloaded or not. So we can drag and drop it on the canvas directly. So here you can see we have just added it. Now we are going to add this like this corner, or we can actually set it like from this corner, or you can drag and drop it in the corner, so it can automatically fit to its perfect size here. So we are going to lower the transparency for some for editing. So here it is. So we are going to edit the front page or the cover page here. So in coloring book, it's actually for the kids, and it should be a attractive coloring book cover that actually can attract the child to get interested in coloring. So here we are going to add this, we can go with this AI prompt here, so going to get the help of AI. So here it is looking good, so we are going to get this prompt here. Simply you can generate with your own prompt. So I'm going to add a childish design that can actually, and colorful design that can actually attract the child to, or the babies, or the little guys to get attracted in coloring. So this is pretty much cool here. So I'm going to add this here, or sorry for that, it's not the expected size of mine. So we are going to expect, we are going to create it like so we are going to use this square. We are going to get the landscape here, sorry for that, landscape, and we're going to generate again. So let's see how it's look like, how it's give us the result. So that one actually what we have choice, it was actually good. So here is the portrait size. So it's pretty cool actually, I think, and the AI will actually help you in this part. So we are going to add it from this section here, and just like this, from here to here. So we are going to add it. Now I'm going to add that here. So just like this, and it pretty much cool here. So we are going to add it a little here. So just like this, and we are going to add uh, a spine here. So its spine is missing here, so we are going to add a shape here. So it's look like this, and it's cool. That color actually matched with the tree color here that we can actually use. So we are going to use this from here and expand it. So just like this, we have just added it, and we are going to add another shape here. So it could be a blank shape, so I'm going to add it, and I'm going to add the color here, like just like this, and yes, pretty much like this color here. And it's up to you how you actually create a cover page that actually can attract that reader, or that actually those childs. So I'm going to add something, some flowers here, some butterflies. So you can find all of this from, let me show you, let me just adjust the size here. Before that, I'm going to flip it horizontally, so just like this, make it a little much bigger, and we are going to copy it again, and I'm going to flip it again, and I'm going to decrease the size of this, so just like this. Also we can add a flower. So where actually you can get all of this, so you can just actually search for color, you can add some like color book. So search for color book, see color book. So let me show you. Here you can use the color book here. So just like this, you can search for the color book here, and here you can find different types of things that actually used for coloring book. So you can color book, you can search for color book flower, or you can search for flower. Now you can search for flower, and it will give you all of these flowers item here that you can add it. So black and white actually. So just like this, you can add all of this from here. So this is for the cornering. So I have just added this cornering here, and you can add some text if you want. So there's transparency here, so you can add the transparency. You can adjust a transparency a little here. So you can add a text if you want. So you simply click on it, and you can add a text like the subheading. So I'm going to text it like happy drawing. Now let's put it in this section by this round shape here. So you can make it round by simply go to this effect button here, and here is the curve effect. So here you can make it curved by simply this. You can adjust the curveness with this bar here. So here you can see I have just added. Now I'm going to lower the transparency a little bit. So you can see I have just completed the cover book from here. Now you can simply click on share button here, and you can simply click on download, and it will allow you to download in this all of this format here. So I'm going to download it in PDF format. So PDF is the perfect format for these books here. So here you can see it is just downloading. So you have to wait until it downloads. But now it is let it be downloaded. Now you can just go to the main file here. So I'm going to simply now create the pages here. So here let me create the pages. So where the pages here is the front cover here. So where you can find the pages here. So here I'm going to select the pages, like it is the width here. So I'm going to add the width here and the height, and here is the height here. So we are going to add the height here and the inches and create new design. So we have just created the new design for that page here. So coloring book does exist some objects that actually need to be colored, and the children are going to color that. So like this. So it has just all the outlines, and it has just need to input the color. So here is a measurement that in Canva you can place it in perfect place. So you have to like this, you have to add these outline drawings that actually can be colored. So you can see I have just added this one here. So what if we can color it. So let us add a preview. In some color books there is a preview here, so we are going to add a preview. So let create a preview here, but before that we are going to add some frame here, like we are going to add element here. So simply that we can see all from here, and here is some elements. So you can search for frames here, search for frame, and here is your frame that actually for a frame, or we can simply search for elements, and let's search it like frame. And here are some frames that actually you can use. So we are going to see all from here, or in graphics you can find it. So just like this one actually. So we are going to adjust that frame at the around of this image here. So it is so we are going to flip it vertically. So we are going to rotate it, or we can actually find more here. So let's see if we found it like any portrait file. Or otherwise we can use these outlines to create a perfect frame from here. So let's see, there is perfect. Now we are going to add it again, another one. So here you can see we can just add it here like this. We are going to place it here, and it actually shows like that. So we are going to add that, we are going to place it here, and we are going to make it to the very top of that photo here, and we're going to copy it again, and we are going to place it here, and again we have to place it like this here. So we are going to copy that again and place the second one. So just like this, you can see I have just created a frame here. Now let's go with AI. So ChatGPT can actually help us to get the preview, so the child can get a preview that how they have to color this object here. So if we just download this section here, so I'm going to download this page here, like anyone, like JPG. So simply download. Now it will download this file from here. You can see it's downloaded. Now we are going to upload that image in the ChatGPT. So here it is. So we are going to ask ChatGPT that make this cat. So identify the object name that you have added in this design. So it can be easier for the ChatGPT to identify the object what you have input in this image. So like cat, make this cat colorful. And accurately. So you can just send that comment here. So ChatGPT will allow you, ChatGPT will actually process the email. So you have to wait until this image is processed. So till then we are going to do the rest of our work of us. So we are going to make it as a group here. So we are going to place that from here, just like at the mid side. So here it is. So that's how we are going to add at this mid here. So we are going to add something like the name. For example, the name here. So we are going to add the name here. So it will look like this. Or we can use this shape here. Now we are going to add a text here. Like here is the text, where you can find different types of fancy text that actually can attract the peoples here, and you can go with. So it's up to you how you choose from this one or from this lots of templates from here. So for now I'm going to use the basic templates here, so that it could be a cat, or actually we can use it like cat, and here it is. Now from here you can select the font style from here. So I'm going with this font size. So there's a tips for you. You can use a childish font style just because of coloring books is meant for the childs. So under age of 8 or under 10, so they actually like fancy texts. So make it some eye-catchy color, just like this. You can make it, and yes, it's pretty good. Now we are going to create it. Now let's see how if ChatGPT has just give us that image. It's still processing the image, so we have to wait till that image is processed perfectly. But before that we are going to add a frame here. So we are going to search for frame. So here it is, a frame here. So this frame is for the preview actually. So we have just added the frame here. Now we are going to add a border. For that we are going to add a shape. So here is the shape here. So we are going to change that color of shape here. For example, black color. So you have to just expand it. Now here you can see the frame is now blocked by this shape, but don't worry, we are going to set the position here. So we are going to set it to background here, just like this. Yes, it's pretty interesting, and I have already told you that Canva is a powerful platform where you can actually edit all of the creative design for anything you just need. So here it is. So it's still processing, so we have to wait until it processes. So all of these features actually created, and it's ready. We just need a preview, but you have to wait until this ChatGPT actually give you the accurate image that you need. So you can see ChatGPT has given me this image here, and it's pretty similar with this photo. So we can use this photo here. So but before that we are going to crop it a little so it can adjust perfectly in the frame here. So we are going to add this just like this. Here is the preview for this image. So you can actually follow this method for each and every pages. You can simply click on add pages, and you can add another another object that you can add it. So save all, and here you can see the elephant, for example, the elephant here, and you can add it, or you can copy that image from here. You can duplicate it, and you can just simply ungroup it, and you can just simply replace this image with this tiger here. So we can delete it, and here we are going to add this elephant image here, and we can actually add this elephant image in the ChatGPT, so it can also give me this type of colorful image, the preview. So that's how we can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. And this ebook is ready to go. This coloring book is ready to go for sale, and you can actually earn from this Amazon Kindle. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.